Hi, I'm Clinton Barker from EXP Realty. I'm here today to show you 10 Tolley Close in Paralowie. So, why would you want to buy in Paralowie? Well, we're only 19 kilometres away from the Adelaide CBD. You're only 3.9 kilometres away from the Salisbury CBD and Transit Hub. You're 1.5 kilometres away from Hollywood Shopping Plaza. And the kids is maybe half a kilometre, 500 metres down the road, and they can go to the R12 Paralowie School. Cool. So everyone, here we are, 10 Tolley Close in Paralowie. Let's go have a quick look in and see what it's about. A lot of interest in this area. As I said, the schools are close by. Facilities are close by. It's easy to get to Adelaide, so you could just drive down and you're straight onto the Northern Expressway and easy into town or Port Adelaide, no matter what. So let's go through. So front entrance, nice wooden floors. To our right, we've got all carpeted. Let's take that out so you can get an size. There we are, that's better. Size of the rooms. Gas wall furnace. I know those things work a treat. They're fantastic. They'll heat this house up in no time. Here we have the main bedroom. And we got full length built-in robes. Now there's roller shutters on all the windows in the home. Just not on the family room, on the sliding doors. So we'll go through. This is probably the smallest bedroom. You know, brand new ceiling fans, roller shutters on the windows, brand new carpet. This house is ready to go. You don't need to do anything. Fantastic for investors. So we're going here, ducted evaporative air conditioning. Now in this room, we've got floor to ceiling built-in robes. Again, brand new ceiling fan. All the bedrooms and that. And here we got the main bathroom. So we see that it's been renovated, it's new, it's lovely. Look at that. Beautiful glass enclosure. And there is a toilet here. So, alright, I know some people are not a fan of toilets in the bathrooms, but what makes this unique is this home has 2 toilets. So if we come out and we go through the main area of the home, so we started off here, this is the living room. Another unique feature of the home is it's got 2 living areas. So we'll go through, and this is going to surprise you. This will blow you. Here we go. Look at that kitchen. It's huge. Alright, dishwasher. Beautiful big gas stove there. Look at that. Range hood. Fantastic. And then here we are in the second living area. Right. So this is another heater. This is a gas combustion heater, log look. So that gives a nice ambience to the area. Makes it look nice and cozy, so you feel nice. It looks like a log fire in there. Now, there's no roller shutters on the sliding doors here. They go out to the back area there, and there's a nice undercover area there. So let's pan around and we'll go out the back. Let's see what it says. It's got a nice big area for a fridge. And here we go. Large laundry and the second toilet area. All right. Now, as we go out the back, very functional backyard. That's that lovely entertaining area I was speaking about. It's got the blinds that you can put up and down. So, you know, if it's a bit too sunny, put the blinds up. Oh, we'll put them down, sorry. We've got a shed here, so anyone who's got hobbies, things like that. We've got, there's a instant gas hot water service. Now let's have a look at the size of it. Now, there's power to the shed, but what is even more surprising is we've got a water point. It looks like there's a drain there, so you can set this up for an outdoor kitchen if need be. I've seen that in quite a few houses lately where there has been an outdoor kitchen. Another unique feature of this home. This is a very big cost saving. So for water, now if you've got teenagers or children that love taking long showers, have a look at this. Huge rainwater tank. But what is even more special is that it's hooked up to the house. So you've got a filter there. This rainwater tank can run the whole home. So if you want to save water, you know, the water bills, there you go, you've got this rainwater tank. There's your evaporative air conditioning on the roof. Now the roof looks in very good condition. Nice low maintenance yard. Not going to have to do a lot of work here. So as you can see, this house is done, is ready to go. All you have to do is move in. How good is that? What I'll do is I'll leave my contact details below. So if you're interested in this home, or you know someone else who's interested in this home, get in touch with me ASAP, because guess what? I don't think this is going to stay on the market long. It'll be gone in a shot. Right, I'm Clinton Barker, signing off for now.